suporta at pagboto po sa PGP. First time in the history.
Thank you so much. And finally, we are welcoming on stage the supportive and beautiful family of Honorable City Councilor Muhammad Ali B. Malgede. And concluding our photo opportunity,
hindi pa namin
we would like to request the supportive and of course loving families of our City Councilor Honorable Shalimar Amirhan Kandal to please get ready.
Agriculture. Dahil malapit po sa puso ko ang agriculture sapagkat ako po ay nakatira.
Thank you so much to the supportive family of Honorable Muhammad Ali B. Malgede.
Kaya po na sa aquaculture, lalong-lalo na po sa aquaculture. Dahil ito rin po ang ating kabuhayan o negosyo. Kaya pagbebenta, pag-aalaga ng
And now, completing our list
sipon at saka
to the families and everyone who made the inaugural session of the Sangguniang Pagusog from the SB staff to all the people behind maraming salamat. And now, we'd like to call on stage the ever-active, loving, and supportive families of our Honorable City Councilor Shalimar
Kumusta po ang
Amirhan
pakiramdam
Kandal.
na ngayon ay isa ka ng City Councilor?
Masaya po tayo dahil kahit na tayo po ay masasabing ba dito sa
And now we see on stage, sharing their first group photo, we see in front the loving and supportive families of Honorable City Councilor Shalimar Amirhan Kandal.
Previous mayor ng ating syudad.
First,
At saka
we welcome the siblings,
naging
of course, the support system, no? The siblings of course, City Councilor Honorable Shalimar Amirhan Kandal.
Marami po tayo.
What a beautiful and powerful
Kapitan kung sakaling
lineup
yung
of
kakayahan
the
natin ay kukulangin man, nandyan po ang aking ina at ama na pwede kong paghugutan ng lakas ng loob tsaka na mga advices kung paano ko
And there we have it, sa lahat po ng mga pumunta from the families to our guests and visitors from the different sectors of Honorable
kasi kanina nabanggit ninyo may target natin sa Cotabato City
and
para
of course the local government unit, very active, supportive, Mayor para sa lahat, Honorable Mayor Muhammad Ali, proof that we must come together with our equally intelligent Vice Mayor, Honorable Javier S. Mada, at sa punong grupo na may pinsabi ang panunsod ng Cotabato City. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo po uwi. Have a safe return home and we hope to see